ISOPON has a repair solution for almost any damage, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to use the ISOPON body repair kit for minor dents and damage. This body repair kit has everything you need to repair minor auto body damage. The filler is durable, simple to mix, and gives you a smooth surface that's ready for primer. This kit is a body shop in a box and has everything you need to get ready for paint. Here's what you get when you open the box of the body repair kit for minor dents and damage. There's several sheets of coarse, medium and fine grit sandpaper, a convenient resealable bag of solvent wipes, a tack cloth, peel away mixing sheets with predetermined ratios for your hardener for the filler, and 8 packs of individually sealed body filler, along with an applicator, several pairs of protective gloves and primer to finish the job. You'll also find a detailed instruction booklet showing you step by step every aspect of this repair. Here's the spot we're going to repair. Using the provided coarse grit sanding paper and a sanding block, we're stripping away the paint from the repair area. A cordless drill with a wire brush works great for removing paints from dense or depressed areas. The solvent wipes come in a convenient resealable package. We're just going to take one for now. Cut open your body filler packet and squeeze out all the body filler from the packet onto the mixing sheet. Then squeeze out the hardener to mixing length A. Using the provided applicator, mix and blend the body filler and hardener together until you get a uniform colour. Thorough mixing is extremely important to ensure you get the best results, and remember to apply to the dent within 4 minutes of starting to mix. Allow your filler to dry for 20 to 30 minutes prior to sanding and blocking. Here's a quick tip. Use your discarded solvent cloths to clean off your spreader so it's ready for future use. Once the filler has dried for about 20 minutes, you're ready to block it down, and using the coarse paper and the sanding block, you can rough out the basic shape of your repair, making sure it's blended in with the surrounding surface. The goal here is to apply slightly more filler on the repair than you need, so it can be levelled out and blended in. With the filler roughed in, we'll follow with the medium grit sandpaper and the sanding block and refine the shape and the surface. You can tell when your repair is properly feathered in by the edges becoming translucent. Using another clean solvent wipe, make sure all the debris, sanding dust and other contamination is wiped clean from your repair area. For the last step before primer, your tack cloth needs to be out of the package for a few minutes, then gently balled up and lightly dragged across the surface for best results. After shaking your primer for several minutes, apply 2 even coats, about 50 mm larger than the repair. Allow the primer to dry for about 10 minutes between coats. Now your repair is finished, ready for the top coat of your choice. ISOPON really does have an easy repair solution for almost any damage. So for more information on the ISOPON body repair kit for minor dents and damage, or any other ISOPON product, be sure to check out our website at isopon.co.uk.